Hello everyone, welcome back. We are on yum. So yum command is primarily a tool for getting, installing and deleting the RPM. Apart from this, we can do the query on system to get the information about individual RPMs. So let us understand how to get the detail or information about individual RPMs. All right. So on system, if we run the command yum list available, so it will list all the available packages. So it's take few seconds, but it will query in repo and it's show us all the packages. Like for example, you are interested to know some particular package. We can say yum available, yum list available grep, and the package name. Let's say example, I'm giving here HTTPD. So it will just get the detail of HTTPD, whether HTTPD is available in the repository or not. Right. So HTTPD related this many number of packages. So where it find the pattern HTTPD, right? This all where it find the pattern HTTP. It's coming from which repository? EPL repository. EPL, right? Some is coming from the base repository, right? So this part is showing the repository name. This is about the version and this is about the name of the package. Let's say example, we wanted to list all installed packages. We'll say yum list installed. So it will just list down all the installed packages. So what it says, it's a typo here, so we need to fix it. Now we can get the packages, all the installed packages, right? So these are the packages are installed. Maybe you want to know whether my Samba is installed or not. So we'll say grep SAMBA Samba and just hit enter. Oh, so Samba packages are installed. We can see here Samba client, common, all the common packages. Here we can see the version and from which repositories it's got updated. Right. If we say yum list all, it's gonna list all the packages, right? So installed and available. So yum available, only available packages, not installed one. Yum list installed, only the installed one, not available. But this one is a combination of both installed and available. So means you will get all the packages which is available and installed, right? Let's move to next query command. Let's say example, you want to check what are the kernel are installed and available. In that case, we need to fire the command yum list kernel. So when we say yum list kernel, it displays us here two kernels are available and installed. So here we can say the underlined one is your default kernel. So if we say uname -r, hit enter, we can see here 3.10.0-693. So this is the one kernel it's showing here. So its underline is a default one. So in this way we can list down the kernel. Maybe you wanted to know detail about some particular package. So we can hit the command yum info package name HTTPD. So it will display all the information about HTTPD. So name of the HTTPD package, its architecture, its version, its release, and the size of that HTTPD package. And the repo, it's installed or not, it's installed. From which repo, its update is on repository name from which this package is currently installed. Summary, what is this package is about? This package is about HTTPD server, Apache HTTPD server. What is the official URL for this package? Official URL is httpd.apache.org and license is ALS.2.0. Description they have written, right? Let's example you wanted to know same way in Samba. So here, once we hit the command, we'll get the detail. See, name Samba, archive, version, release, size, from which repository is installed, this one update repository, and the official URL, summary about, and the license, right? So this is very interesting thing to check the detail about some particular package. Let's move to next command. Maybe you are interested to know the dependency list. Let's example, you want to check yum depth list. So depth list stand for dependency list. So this command you are asking, can you show me what are the dependency required for package HTTPD? So it will go ahead and just quickly check, oh, this number of packages need to be installed before installing the HTTPD because these are the dependencies. So just I will scroll up. So here we can see that, right? All right. Right. Let's say example, you want to know the dependency list for Samba package. So it will go ahead and pull that all the dependency list. See, this all the packages are required for the Samba. All right. Now let's move to the very interesting command that we require often when we work in the real-time environment. Maybe you know the particular command or you know the basically what you want, but you don't know exactly the package name, right? In that case, we'll run the command yum provides. Let's example, I know IP command, but I don't know the package required for the IP command. All right. So it will go ahead and search the package name for the IP command. So let's assume the scenario you are typing IP command and it says it's unknown, the command not found. That means the IP program or IP package is not installed, right? In that case, we can go ahead and just say yum provide IP. It will just query in the repository to check what package is responsible for IP command and it will straightforward write the package name. The next step would be go ahead and install that package. All right. So now it's updating the repository. It will take few seconds. So here we can see that for IP command, there is one package called as IP root. So this IP route package need to be installed to get the IP command. And it's create a command inside this. So this is very interesting one. Let's go for another example. Let's say example, you are typing wget. So as of now, wget is installed. All right. So if we say yum, we need the actual package name for wget. So we'll say yum provides and wget. So maybe you want to uninstall the wget for some reason, right? Then I need the complete package name. So I can just type this. So here we get, oh, for wget, this is a complete package name. You can go ahead and install or uninstall, right? So maybe same way you can try multiple commands to get the actual package name with the command yum provides and the command name, right? Let's say example, you want to find the detail about some particular package. It's similar to provides, but in provide we are not getting the complete detail. Like for example, here we get the package name and description and from which repository this package belongs, right? Now let's say example, if you do yum search and the package name wget, the search command provides you the package name, but also it will provide you bit description about that package. And also it's provide you the dependency. Let's say example, if we do Samba, see, so it's provide all the detail about Samba. So it says for Samba there is so many number of Samba packages, and this we have found as below. So there is a description: Samba client, Samba common, Samba devil, Samba lib. So all the packages you will see related to the Samba. All right. So both command you can use to search the package name, either yum search or yum provides. All right. So we have completed the query for individual packages, right? Let's talk about the which all packages are installed. Let's say example, someone asks you, boss, could you check my HTTP is installed or not? There is a two-way. One, you can say yum installed, yum list installed, like this, yum list installed, and you can just query grep httpd. So it's install. Other way you can say rpm -qa and httpd. It's showing only one package, that is httpd 2.4. So it's showing this one, the main package. All right. So if you say yum installed like this, and you'll say grep httpd, so it's showing two packages exactly the same what yum command is showing. So rpm -qa grep httpd, instead of yum list installed, we can use this also, rpm -qa, both one and the same, and we are getting the complete the package name. All right. So thank you so much